What do you think your favorite places that we've been together?
Well, we've been very blessed with being able to get to see a lot of places together.
Yeah.
I just personally feel, to me, the most unique place has been Israel.
Mm-hmm.
It just felt that every step we took had more than just a vista or a background. You just couldn't help but even see the road signs were the road signs that read our histories collectively, the biblical steps that you took. Every step we took was just something that was beyond just a beautiful scape and a beautiful part of the world. It was a part of our collected souls.
Yeah.
It just reached into me a little bit more than anything else I had ever seen.
And there was so much meaning behind it. And I loved that we got to share it with my mom also. You know, it was just such a unique experience, and one that I just had no idea what was going to be in store for us, and the food and the culture and just what I was.
The food.
Oh, the food. Can you tell we're foodies?
Oh my goodness.
Unbelievable.
Just beyond spectacular, and it isn't probably one of the things that you think of when you think about going to Israel, but the food was beyond spectacular.
Yeah, it really was.
The blend of cultures that exist in Israel, I think, brought forward what we've come to learn is very significantly part of its folklore, which is its cuisine.
So in other words, more for me to try to replicate.
Yeah.
Got it.
Wow. Good luck.